So we're going to go over to flow control, and we're going to look at the wait for user input and wait for time. The difference between the two: wait for user input, let's just make it, the wait for user input is an interlock command, which means that the cobot is going to get to that line in the program, is going to stop, and it will not proceed until the operator confirms that it is ready to proceed through the program. So the operator has to do something to continue through the program. The wait time is more like a delay. So I'm going to wait for 2 seconds. So this is a time pause where the cobot will wait for 2 seconds and then continue through the program. So the difference is one requires an operator to proceed through the program. The other is a delayed time, and then it will automatically proceed through the program. So if we look at this, so you can see now we're waiting for a user input. So I'm going to press confirm. So it will only continue through the program after the operator has confirmed that it's ready to proceed. Whereas the wait for time will wait for that 2 seconds and then continue through the program.